Hey, how's it going, everybody? In today's video, we're checking out the NanoLeaf panels. You've seen these before, probably. They are super, super cool. I picked them up to put them up in my bedroom. They were on sale for Black Friday, and I'm going to be hanging them up above my bed. So I wanted to go ahead and unbox them. As you can see, they work with Apple, and I picked up the 9 panels with the rhythm module so that I can sync them up with my music. Basically, it has a little piece that plugs into it that is pictured right here, and it'll listen to the audio in the room and sync all of the lights up to match whatever you're listening to. Let's jump around and look at the rest of the packaging. You can pick up the app for it on both the App Store and Google Play stores, and they kind of look like this when you set them up, or there's different panels and configurations for them. You can kind of do as you please, but it looks really, really cool when you set it up. I'm probably going to shoot for something like this over my bed. I don't know how many panels that's using, but you can buy more panels if you so choose. So let's go ahead and get this out of the packaging and start taking a look at it. We finally got this little encasing here off of it, and now we are clear to open up the package. So let's jump in and check out what we've got. So right on top, you'll see your information guide, which of course you're going to need this if you're going to set it up and use it with Apple's HomeKit. Let's set that off to the side, and you'll see we got 9 little triangular light panels here in the middle. They're actually fairly decently sized. Also, with that comes a piece of paper in between them that you can use to lay it around and design it. So let's see what else we've got in the box. You'll see we have a wire to connect both the rhythm module and the light panels to the rhythm module. In addition to that, there are 9 of these little connector tabs that allow you to connect each one of these triangular panels to the other one. So those are pretty simple and straightforward to set those up. And then over here we have another power adapter piece for the lights, as well as a few 3M command strip tabs to hook them up to the wall. So basically we're going to be putting these right here above my bed. It's needed some decoration up here. It's a pretty plain looking wall, so we're going to go ahead and stick them up there, and once we get a design going, that is. And then we can hide the cabling back in behind the bed frame, which is the goal, is to stick this back in here somewhere and make it look almost invisible. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what they look like up above. Let me show you one of the panels in this space and what it's gonna look like. So there's one panel. Go ahead and work out a design that I like, and then we'll get to hooking it up there on the wall. I'm currently in the process of setting all these up. These things are so fragile. Be super careful with them. They basically slip into here on the back of the NanoLeaf, and then you hook them up kind of like that. So we're in the process of hooking them up. I'll be right back. So let's go ahead and hook up the power bank for the first time. Let's see how these things are gonna look. Oh yeah, that's awesome. All right, let's back up and see the whole thing. Look at that. Let's go ahead and get to programming these. I can't even expose this properly. They're so bright. But look at these light panels. Let me see, maybe if I add more light to it, they'll expose better. There we are. So check those out. These panels are actually super sensitive, so as soon as I talk, they light up. So we've got the light panels up on the wall, and I'm hooked up to the app right now. Currently, I've got them set to warm white, but there's different options such as reading light and daylight here, and you'll see there are just slight differences between them. We can lower the intensity of them and also raise the intensity of these lights. Let's jump over to color, and we'll check out color burst. This color burst, here we go. Let's drop the intensity down and see if we can get him to show up. There we go, looking a lot better here on the screen. There they are, even as we go messing with the exposure some. Let's try and get a nice balance and see if we can really see what's going on. Hey Google, make the NanoLeaf red. Anyway guys, that was a quick first look at my new NanoLeaf light panels. I think these things are looking super cool. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button, leave some comments down below, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.